Welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's start tutorials. My tutorial today, I'm educating the public. I'll be navigating along PayPal. I'll be showing you the different tools that PayPal has, and show you subscribe, like, share, and comment. So today we are dealing with a business PayPal account. Here it is. This is a business PayPal account. Yeah, it is a verified account. In case you need your PayPal to be verified, I have in the description link, I'll put a video on how to verify a PayPal account. So the other thing that I'll be focusing on is, in case this is how a PayPal looks like. This is where it indicates the balance. You can go to money page, or go to send money. In case you need to send somebody cash, you'll just come here. You can type their email here. Once you type their email here, or maybe you can pick by default. You can pick here as PayPal has saved your contacts. And once you do that, you'll be able to send them. Then maybe you want to send them $100 on. You can add note reason. Maybe you want to donate. The other reason, maybe when I say continue, it will make the payment. That is the first functionality of PayPal, sending a request. The other functionality of PayPal is go to money page. Once we go to money page, here we will come and find we can convert currencies. We can convert currencies to any other currency that we really want. We can convert, like my balance is $615. You can convert to maybe whatever country here you want. You can convert to Filipino dollars, to Canadian dollars. So that is the second functionality of PayPal. Another functionality of PayPal is that you can link to a bank. You can link to a bank. You can also link a card. When it comes to linking a bank, I will have a tutorial that I'll attach in the description here, in the description link, where how to link with PayPal with Payoneer. I will be linking it as I'll be linking Payoneer's Community Federal Bank to my PayPal. You can watch at a later time. You can also I also have a tutorial how to link a new card. That's the functionality number 4 of PayPal. You can the other thing, you can transfer the money once you link. If you have attached a bank account, or if you have attached a bank account, you can be able to link a bank, and once you say transfer the cash, it will go directly to where you've authorized. So the other functionality of PayPal is this is a business PayPal. The other functionality, you can come to activity. Once you come to activity, here you can generate your at this point you can generate statements. You can see all those people who have been paying you. You can either archive a transaction. For maybe this is an invoice that I have sent to somebody who has not paid me. I can remind them. I can send them a reminder. I remind them to pay for the invoice. This is the invoice that I have sent. In the description link, I will attach a tutorial on how to create an invoice in using PayPal account, with using PayPal. We can say remind. Once we remind, I'm sure it is going, the transaction, the client will be reminded on making the payment. That is in case you had invoiced them. Here you can come and generate activities. All the activities you're able to query all either all the transactions, the archived ones or the active ones. The active ones are maybe the ones like I've sent them invoice and they have not yet paid me, or the transactions that are affecting the balance. You can come here and say query all the payments received, payments sent. payment received, like maybe I will query all the payment received, or maybe I can query in you can query payment sent, money transfer, money added, refunds, bills and agreement, reversals, conversion to currencies, subscription payments. In case in the description link, like for the subscription, you will find I have earned some money through my the link I've attached in the description link. It's a link that once you click, you'll be able to register for a Payoneer account and earn yourself $25 upon successfully registering. So the other thing, you can query with time. You can say maybe I want all the transactions made in 2020, and surely you will be able to download that statement with all the transactions. You can query past 30 days, past 90 days. From you can pick the day, then apply. Another thing, you can query against the currencies, maybe the number of clients who have paid me through US dollars, others who have paid me through Kenya shillings. I'll be able to get all these tutorials at once. So the other functionality of PayPal comes to we've already said, we've already described the first one as send or request money. Payment preferences, you can set a payment preferences. In case you've attached a bank and you've attached an ATM, or you have your friend who wants to use your PayPal account and they have the ATM, you will come attach the ATM in the PayPal account. Then you will say it will give you options either to choose the preferred way to pay online. We will use when shopping or sending payments for goods and services. You can always choose different way to at checkout. Maybe now here it will be having either anytime you are paying a client, it will be fetching the balance from PayPal balance, or we'll select confirm. For my tutorial, I've not yet attached any. As you can see, I've not attached a bank account, and I've not attached a new card. But I'm attaching a new bank as I link PayPal to Payoneer. In the description link in my YouTube channel, you will find that tutorial where we are linking PayPal with M-Pesa. Another functionality of PayPal is generating reports. You're able to query reports depending on maybe monthly basis. Here now I have an overview of the last 30 days. I can this is the transaction of the last 90 days. I've made 45 transactions. This is the whole amount. This is the USD dollars. I have a graph that is showing me the number of transactions that I've made. The number of transactions that I've made. We can see even it produces even a graph of the countries, the people where my most transactions people have been sending me. 83% is from US and United States. We can see them, but there is someone from Morocco who sent me cash, another one from Lesotho. I will that is my tutorial. These are the percentage of my returning clients. That's a functionality in the reports that you're able to generate in your business account. We can query, we can have an overview of depending on the dates. Maybe the dates you can put it. We can put maybe the transactions that happened in 2019. I just opened this tutorial. In case you need assistance in case you need an assistance for me to verify your PayPal account, in case you need me to open for you a PayPal account, or maybe you need me to link it to PayPal account, ensure you use my official email address, njogukarungu@gmail.com. You'll find my links in the description link. You'll find my WhatsApp number. Upon reaching me, we'll be able to consult and we'll be good to go. So let us continue. The tutorial today was focusing on how to show you to navigate along PayPal business account. So we are able to print the reports depending maybe how urgent it is. Some of these reports are important in case we are borrowing in a bank for a loan, because this is a recognized online bank. We can see the transactions. It produces even graphs. The other tools that Payoneer has is creating invoice, requesting money. It has a resolution. It has in the invoice, as I had explained to you. This is the way you come and you're able to create an invoice. I have a tutorial that in the description link, or in my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials, that shows you on how to create an invoice. Ensure you pass by. Once these are the people who have paid me, who have paid for me to transact to them. The other thing that we can do is in case you have a problem and you need to contact support, as in my tutorial tells me, this is where you come and open a case. If I can open a case, I can close down. You can download the dispute report. Upon filing a dispute, Payoneer delegates and gives you a report on what happened. Like the closed case, I can say it was unauthorized transaction. I can download the dispute report, and I will be good to go. So the other functionality that Payoneer helps you is a help. In case you need those frequently adequately asked questions, you will get them in help. You will be able to attach original screenshots, and they'll get back to you. The other functionality that maybe I have not passed through is when you come to your profile, you can come and change your profile details depending. You can put your security questions. Also, you can add two-step verifications, and also you can be able to close your account. I have a tutorial where I've clearly explained the way to close an account. Another thing that maybe we can go is to the account settings. Well, once we come to the account settings, we can be able to, in case we need, when we are developers, we can get Payoneer can offer us an API to access. In case you have limits, you can view the limits in your account, and you will be go for security reasons. Since my PayPal account is verified, there is no limit. So in case you need me to verify your account, ensure you enter in the description link. Get in touch with me. I'll be able to assist you one-on-one. My name is njogukarongo@gmail.com. My tutorial today was familiarizing yourself with different tutorials, and I will be attaching links where you can get more of my tutorials, as my PayPal expertise. I'm YouTube certified. I just got a certification from YouTube. Ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me to the end of the video recording.